Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to tie this style, and also I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways you can slay your Ankara scarf. So if you want to learn, if you want to know how I achieved this particular one, yes, do stay tuned till the end of this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends and family. Okay, so if you want to see me tie my scarf in 3 different ways, yeah, do stay tuned for the video. Welcome back guys. So this is going to be my volume. I already packed my hair in a bun over here, so I packed it up, and now I'll just put this one on top to serve as a volume for the style I'm going to tie now. Yeah, so this is my hair tie. It's just square, you know. You can get a longer one and a bigger one. Any kind of a tie you have, actually, you'll be able to tie this style perfectly. But it has to be medium. It doesn't have to be that tiny. So I just folded this scarf in a triangle, and I'm just going to place it from behind like so, and I'll just gather. So guys, the external noise was becoming too loud, and then I had to, just stop talking and do a voiceover for this part. So I'm basically just doing what you're seeing me do. I just place the scarf onto my head, and I'm trying to like tie it, yeah. So I just like rolled, like I'm rolling it all the way from the front to the back. It's more like a twist method, but I'm not really twisting in the scarf. I just rolled it, and now I am just knotting it behind my head, and now I'm just trying to adjust the scarf. Yeah, so that is basically what I did. And for the second style, I just basically use the same volume for the front of my head, because this scarf is going to be upward. Yeah, so I just place the scarf onto my head, and it's also a triangle shape. Like I folded the scarf in a triangular shape. So now I'm just rolling the scarf, like the leaf in front. I'm just rolling it, twisting and rolling it around the other hand, like the other leaf. So I am still twisting, and I'm trying to like roll it round till I exhaust the leaf. So now I just spread the other one out just a little. As you can see, I think this video is very much self-explanatory, yeah, so just enjoy. Let me not bore you with my too much explanation, yeah. And for the third style, I basically just packed my hair in a bun in the middle, like at the middle of my head, because I am actually tying a different style, and it doesn't need or require me to put the bun in front. So I just put my volume on top of the hair, and now I just place my scarf, and I'm just, you know, rolling it all over, just the same way I did the first one, but this time I didn't roll around, like wrap it around while rolling. So after rolling for some time, as you saw me do, I just twisted the remaining leaf and I just placed it on the side. You can put this on any side of your choice. You just then tuck it in from behind, and that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you watched till the end, thank you. Thumbs up to you. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let them learn how to slay their Ankara head tie or scarf, whatever you call it. Okay, you have various of ways to slay your Ankara. If you want to see more of this type of videos, do let me know down in the comments below. I'ma do some more for you guys, but for today, those three, I hope it goes a long way. Yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Make sure to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to this cuties channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys in another video. Bye.